Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So here is another video on how to insert data in your Excel file like in the form. So by default it is not available, so you have to enable the form. So first of all you have to click on the file and then select options and then choose quick access toolbar. Here you have to select the command not in the ribbon and then scroll down to the form. Click on the form and then edit. Now finally you can click on the OK. Now it is available in your quick access toolbar. Now you have to select the data according to which your form will be built. So after selecting you can click on the form. Now you can enter your data like in the form. So it is reflected in your Excel file also. You can add multiple data. I hope you like this video. Have a good day ahead. Thank you all.